All right, Raymond Ramnarine of Diddy Nadan is in the building, and I've got chocolate. Are you a chocolate man?
Always a chocolate fan. Who don't like chocolate, man? Get a
Something wrong
life.
with them.
Yes,
Something
definitely.
wrong
Love
with
chocolate,
them.
love
It's
chocolate.
time to roll out a recipe. It's brought to you today, courtesy the folks at Chief Brand Products. When you hear Chief Brand Products, especially in Trinidad and across the region, many people think curry. Well, Chief is much more.
Growing up, I mean, as a kid, was Chief and the curry.
I went to the offices here in Trinidad.
Yes.
And when you walk in the offices, you feel for roti, you know.
So I need to walk in. I know, right?
You just feel for roti. The curry, oh my goodness.
Yes, the aroma
is fantastic.
Yes, amazing.
But Chief is more than curry.
Yes.
Last week we did a wonderful cornmeal pastel muffin with the empanada flour.
Nice.
And today, I'm hoping you like chocolate.
I love chocolate, man.
Because we are going to be doing what I'm calling a Christmas brownie. One bowl brownie. Everything happening in this bowl.
Interesting, man.
And believe it or not,
I love it. I love how it sounds.
We are using Chief cocoa powder. There are an array of essences. They have a vanilla essence, a mixed essence, and an almond essence. And of course, their baking powder.
I need to visit Chief as soon as possible.
Not just for the curry.
I'm coming to you, Chief. Look out.
So in here, I'm starting. We melted in the microwave some of these chocolate chips and chocolate chips with some melted butter in the microwave, and I kind of just get this nice, rich.
I love the texture, though.
Oh, you're seeing it.
Yeah.
So to this, we started to build the brownie mixture now. So you are pouring, I am mixing.
Right.
We can work in tandem. Raymond Ramnarine of Diddy Nadan.
So I'm basically doing the hard part, guys.
Yeah, you doing the hard part. You doing the hard part.
Now, look carefully.
Yeah.
We're going to go with the cup of sugar.
So Raymond, the truth is that, let me just tell people very, very quickly. People see me cook, but I am not a baker. So I don't bake. Baking is a kind of science that you have to kind of, but this one is a simple recipe that I like.
I've never attempted baking.
No. But so I'm going brave, so you have to work with me.
It looks good. It looks good so far, guys.
Pull together a brownie. Yeah, a cup of sugar in here.
Joey, Raymond, come on.
Come on. Let's go.
Ready?
So go, hit me.
Here we go.
So to the chocolate chip mixture with some melted butter, I am just stirring in a cup of sugar. So very important in this one bowl brownie.
God, it's smelling like Christmas.
Is that you kind of have to mix at every stage. Make sure everything is incorporated. Don't just add everything and mix.
I would have done that.
I would have done that as well. So. But because I'm following a recipe, I know not to do
Very
that.
important.
Yeah, I know not to do that. Yeah. Today I'm following a recipe, word for word. 1 egg. So it's 2 eggs, but we're doing one egg at a time.
One at a time, guys.
Raymond is going in with
Let's do this. First egg.
1 egg.
Bam.
And I just kind of just mix that egg in there. You see how the texture kind of just changing as we go along.
Yeah, bro.
Second egg.
Whoa, that was fast.
Second egg. Once it's combined, once it's mixed in.
I think I'm gonna be successful in doing this at home.
Yeah, this is a simple recipe. It really is.
One bowl brownies.
Second egg goes in. So 2 eggs, but please guys, 1 at a time. And you're seeing the mixture nice and coming together. It's getting a nice glassy look in it.
Yeah, bro.
I want to now make it even richer, right? I have chocolate chips, but I have some cocoa powder from Chief, guys. Chief is more than curry.
Chief has everything,
Chief has everything. So that cocoa powder is about I think it's about a half cup. Is it? A third cup. It's a third cup. That's what the recipe said. Trust us.
Trust us.
And try this recipe over the holidays.
Ooh.
So here now, as I said, it's getting nice and rich because that cocoa powder is going to real nice intensify the chocolatey, nice brownie that you taste. So now is when you kind of have to get some muscle and kind of just work in
the
I have the muscle. Remember you
brownies,
last
bro.
time you were on
Brownies.
the show. Last time you were on the show, you don't spend much time in the kitchen at all. No, I mean,
it has been months and I've really learned a lot. I did the last one.
You tried the beer battered sausages.
And I was so unsuccessful.
The wife.
Yeah, she was a bit upset with the shape of it. She said that didn't look nothing like what Joey did.
Oh, you spoiled that, really?
I don't know. I just don't know, man. But I was pretty confident. Though.
You were pretty confident?
Yes, because I mean, it looks so easy.
Yeah.
I mean, I was here.
You was here, you do it.
I told her, I said, baby, this evening you just relax. Go on the sofa, put on your television and stuff. You just relax. I'm gonna do some beer battered.
Sausages
for you.
Yeah, that was
Man, when I gave it and he played this like, she said, what time the restaurant closes? I said, oh, come on, man, don't do me that, man.
Try it again, mate. Try it again.
Man.
Don't give up.
Essence.
Now, essence. So I'm doing this. I just want about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And as I said, this is also from Chief, guys. I just want to get as much as there to fill that teaspoon. And just about that, once the teaspoon is filled, you get it in there.
Oh.
Yeah? And you mix.
Mixing is important.
Mixing is important.
Yeah.
You must kind of incorporate all the ingredients into one nice mixture.
So like a DJ would be comfortable doing this because
a DJ could hit me that. You could hit me that.
Yeah, DC DJs mix now.
Yeah. You're right. Flour, final ingredient.
Whoa.
So you're adding that flour in for me.
Ready?
Give me half.
Half.
Let me just mix that in.
Wow.
So even though you're not a baker,
I think I should be able to do this one.
Yeah, even though, and I don't bake often, I really don't. And this recipe, as I said, once you kind of just follow the simple steps, simple ingredients to add into one bowl. You're going and trying to do this here and do that there in one bowl.
This looks good for me to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to promise my entire village.
Oh Lord, not the village, Ray. If the whole village, the whole village?
Well, no.
Get it wife.
The street.
Yeah, right, okay.
The street.
Because if you disappoint the whole village, I just say there's plenty pressure on Raymond now.
Yeah, boy. So we could probably edit out that part. Just forget I even said that, guys. I'm gonna deal with the first three houses.
Do the street.
The first three houses is mommy and daddy, myself, and my brother. So.
Oh, so you see, that's family. That's family.
Even if I make a mistake,
that's family.
They would forgive me.
So you see how nice and thick it gets?
Right, Chief?
Yeah. Now, if you a brownie is something, when you bite into it, take a story. You gotta get some muscle. You gotta get some muscle. When you bite into the brownie, rich, thick, chocolatey.
Yes.
There's a kind of gooiness to it.
You could do this?
You could do that. If you want.
It's easier.
If you want, you could do that.
Oh, but this is nice. I love it. So you're gonna put some more muscles.
Yeah, I'm just adding some more chocolate chips there.
Right.
So that we know it's a chocolatey brownie. Oh. And you stir that
Joe,
in.
better you do this because it starts. Yeah. I need the muscles.
Save the muscles for when you go on stage for Carnival.
Yes.
You're getting ready for Carnival.
Yeah, definitely.
In Trinidad, guys, and wherever you're looking at us across the region, in Trinidad, Christmas and Carnival kind of almost intertwined.
Wrapped up, kind of wrapped up together. You know,
and that's how we like it.
We love it like that, man.
That's how we like it.
We love to Soca Parang.
Soca Parang.
And after Soca Parang, we go into the Soca.
I need that.
And
Yeah.
I thought I was doing him a favor, guys.
I need that, Ray.
Oh, this is the bacon dish.
So, Ray, all we're doing now is taking the mixture and getting it in there. Actually, Ray, if you could hold this for me.
Sure.
I just want to get some of this out. Yeah. Right, take it away now.
Oh,
take it away.
Okay, take it away.
And now this is the tool, the little spatula that I could just add it straight in there. One nice mixture. You smelling the creamy, chocolatey vibe here?
I'm just looking at this right now. And falling in love with you, Brownie.
So you can lick that.
I was
but off here.
Wow.
Just like that, Ray. You just kind of just smooth it to the edges. Very, very simple. A brownie is kind of nice, rustic.
But Joe, you said you are not a baker, but how come you know? I mean, this is like.
No, Ray, this is practicing and trying.
Wow.
One thing I've not held myself back from doing is trying. And so that's a real message. If you told me 5-10 years ago that I'll be cooking on TV, I would have said, no, man.
So maybe we can make a line one of these days and you could just,
Don't be under pressure with the villager, though. Because
yeah, I mean, come down to South a little bit. Let's bring Joey Villafana down to South, guys. Let's bring Cup of Joe down to South. The whole of Gasperlo, we're welcoming him.
I have some family in Gasperlo, no?
Yeah?
I have some family in Gasperlo.
I think the last time you did mention that.
Yeah, I do.
So we could go by the family?
In Gasperlo.
In Gasperlo.
You bake this for just about 20 minutes.
Yes.
20-25 minutes.
And for just about 5 people. So The first 5 in Gospel, you can come and try the
And come and try the brownies. When we come back, we taste stuff, guys. 20
Oh,
minutes in the
yummy,
oven.
yummy, yummy.
Roll out a recipe, courtesy of the folks at Chief Brand Products, more than just curry. Yeah.
Love it, man. Love it.